Hey YouTube, Urban Gun Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the ironclad gun cleaning mat. Now you can get this mat on Amazon.com, and I paid $10.89 for it. Alright.
Oh Lord!
Now what this is a gun cleaning mat, and if you see on here, it's the model 36, Glock 36, which is a 45 auto. And they also have a couple different models. Now you can look into them, but I know for sure they got an AR-15 model, and there's a Glock disassembly model. Now I don't know what model that's specifically for, but it's a Glock disassembly model. Now this one is the Glock 36, and they also show you how to disassemble the Glock 36. All right. Now this material that it's made out of is neoprene, and the size of it is 11 by 17 inches. It is 3mm thick, waterproof, oil resistant, and it has disassembly instructions for the Glock 36. Now I've seen this a few times, so it kind of made me just want to grab it and check what it's about and see if it's any good. I mean, it's a mat, so I mean it can't be that bad. But lifetime warranty on it, 22 kilograms in weight. The color is oil resistant black. Well, let's get into it. All right. So this is what I'm going to be using to clean off my guns from now on, and this is cool. All right, now it has all the component parts. It has 35 different parts on here. It shows you what they look like, where they go. Then you got Glock trigger safety, you got connector lubrication, slide lubrication, barrel lubrication, and what to not lubricate. You got the Glock 36 picture right here, a little history on the Glock pistol. It's known as a safe action, Glock safe action pistol. You got the designer, product history, specifications, bullet types, velocity, and energy. All right, so this is pretty cool. So you can use it, you know what I mean, to clean your weapon on, and you ain't got to worry about oil. You don't have to worry about oil getting on it or anything like that. So it's pretty cool. So this is my Glock 23 right here. I bring her out quite often on the channel, but yeah, so for now on out, you know what I mean, I'll be using this to clean my guns on, and I'll probably get one for the AR-15. I've seen one for 1911s. I've seen them for all different kind of firearms, but of course I went with the Glock one because I have a Glock, and I'm kind of a Glock, I won't call myself a fanboy, but I'm a fan of Glocks. So I thought this would be cool to get show on this channel, and if anybody would like to get one, I can show you. I'll leave a link in the description so you can but let's see. So that's that. And that's that, you know what I mean? So real easy. I mean, anybody who has a Glock know they're easy to take apart. But I'm excited to use this. I'll probably clean a few of my guns today just to do it because I got this mat now. But you know, if you felt like this video was entertaining or you got something from this video, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you do that by clicking on my logo on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Also, if you want to hype up this video, I would appreciate that because it helps my video get pushed through the masses so other beautiful people like yourself can see my content. If you want to follow me on all of my social media sites, all of those links will be in the description as well. And we out to the next time, gun family. Stay blessed. Pow. Stay strapped.